Today we are going to create our Chicago flag collage. Okay, so the Chicago flag has three colors. It has white, has blue, and it has red. Okay, it has two horizontal blue lines, one on the top and one on the bottom, and then it has four stars that have 6 points. Each of these stars represents an important event that happened in Chicago's history. So let's get started. You are going to get a template with the stars, and you are going to get a red sheet of paper that has been painted and has a little bit of texture. Okay, I want you to flip the paper over to the white side, and then I want you to trace the stars. But I need you to do something. I need you to make sure that the star starts at the edge of the paper. Okay, so with a crayon you can trace it. Once you trace 2 stars, you have space for 2 more stars. So you have to make sure that your stars fit. Okay, so you might have to move it around. Okay, so I might just do one at a time. Alright, and I'm going to draw my next star right there. Oh, let's see, maybe I can fit this star in here. So I'm going to draw it again, and when I trace on top of the white paper, not on top of my template. Okay. Okay. So I have 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing that I need to do is I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to cut my stars vertically first. So that way they're a smaller piece of paper to cut, and it's a lot easier to maneuver. So all I'm going to do, okay, so remember when we cut, we use the scissors in one direction and the paper moves. Once you're done cutting your stars, you can throw this into the garbage. And then the next thing that we're going to do is you're going to get a blue piece of paper that has been painted and has texture. And you're going to fold it in half the long way. Okay? So you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to cut along the folded line. Okay? So again, remember my scissors don't move. All I'm going to do is try to cut as straight as I can. Alright, so once you're done with the scissors, you can put those away. And now you have 2 blue strips and 4 red stars. Okay, you're gonna get your white paper, and I want you to do it just so that you can see how it's gonna look. This is called planning, okay? Or arranging. You are arranging the pieces. Okay, now that you know where the pieces go, you can start to collage them. Okay, so I'm going to take my pieces off because I know where they go now. And I'm going to use my glue so I can start collaging. Remember, when we glue, we need to dip, wipe around the edges. Okay, so the first pieces that I'm going to glue are my blue strips. Okay, I'm going to dip, wipe around the edges. Okay, I have to go a little fast because if not, the glue dries. Also, you can use both sides of the brush. So you dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Okay, once you're done, you're going to take your paper and you are going to glue it. Give it a little massage on top, and then give it a nice good massage on the back. Okay, once you're done, you're going to do the other one. Again, you're going to get dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. So when I dip, all I do is just tap it a little bit. Okay, I am not going in circles around this edge. All I'm doing is just tapping, and then when I put the glue down, I go around the edge of the paper I want to glue. Okay, so dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Okay, looks like I'm done. Again, I'm going to lay it out where I want it. Looks like right there is a good spot. I'm going to give it a flatten it a little bit, massage, and I'm going to give it another massage on the back. Alright, now I'm going to put my 4 stars in the middle. Okay, remember those are the 4 stars that are important to Chicago's history. So I'm going to do one star at a time. Again, dip, wipe around the edges. And put it down. I'm going to do the next star.